Hi, this is Annindita and you're watching Curious Tuesdays. And this video is about developing your intuition. So if you have ever been curious about how to develop your intuition for better decision making, watch this video till the very end. I've many times come across people who are having a hard time making up their minds or making an important decision in life, and this is a video that is definitely going to help if you are going through a similar challenge in your life. Intuition is that little voice, your gut feeling or your inner voice, which always knows the best path for you in any situation. But unfortunately, only a handful of people today really know how to use it to their full advantage. So in this video, I will give you 5 very easy steps so you can begin to regain the ability to hear your inner voice without years of training. First of all, find solitude, because in a world overloaded with information, misinformation mostly if you ask me, but that we will keep as the topic for another video. But with other people's opinions and social media distractions, it's pretty hard to differentiate between your inner voice and the voice of the external world. It is important to drown out all this external noise if you want to get in touch with the gentle voice of your intuition. And I like to describe intuition as a gentle voice because it is a soft internal voice, unlike the loud and commanding voice of politicians trying to convince you into believing into something that is not even true, or the reprimanding voice of your parents or teachers trying to get you to behave. Intuition is generally felt by people as a gentle nudge. So just spend 30 minutes each day being alone, which means without your phone, and listen to yourself. Ask yourself questions. You'll be surprised at the answers that you come up with. And have a pen and paper handy and jot down your thoughts and ideas. Take this time to let your thoughts flow and listen to yourself. Writing a letter to yourself from infinite wisdom is another great way to tap into your inner voice. And these 30 minutes will allow you to get in touch with who you really are, not what the world wants you to be. Once you have a good idea of who you are, your intuition will become louder and clearer with every passing day, until it overpowers all external voices in the world. And it's not hard. It will happen pretty soon. Another crucial part to intuition is the ability to feel what someone else is thinking or going through, or empathy, in other words. It's so natural you probably haven't even realized that you do this already. When you are with a friend and you pick up if they're feeling happy or sad, or when you are with a group of strangers and you sense that someone feels out of place or stressed. This energy you are picking up comes from your intuition. To build your intuition in relationships, you need to let go of judgment and practice putting yourself in someone else's shoes. By doing this, you will be able to read people at a deeper level. This is incredibly important as everything we do involves other people. Once your intuition becomes stronger, finding a soulmate, the right business partner, or picking the right group of friends will come naturally to you. Thirdly, acknowledge all your feelings. Everyone has feelings, but very few acknowledge all of them fully. Some people selectively acknowledge certain feelings while very conveniently ignoring the ones which are more harder to deal with. The next time you feel something, acknowledge this feeling, focus on it, and ask yourself what this could possibly mean. This feeling you are getting might urge you to do something, maybe warn you of something, or try to tip you off about what's coming. This needs some amount of self-awareness because most people are too busy with their mental chatter and the noise of the world outside to be fully aware of their emotions at the exact time when they arise. Unless something major happens and the emotions are really strong and cannot be ignored. And that is usually the case when something in our life goes seriously wrong. But such events are completely avoidable with a little bit of self-awareness and with a little bit of courage to acknowledge your true feelings and act on it. As you practice this, you will recognize your intuition when it surfaces the next time, and you will start seeing patterns between how you felt and how a certain person or situation or event eventually turned out. Another good way to get your intuition to come out is to play a little guessing game and just say to yourself, I wonder what color the next car that drives by will be, or just I wonder what the next car will drive by. I wonder who's the next person who's going to call me today. I wonder what, if you have a friend visiting, what he or she will be wearing today. And just finish that sentence with the first thing that pops in your head. This game allows your mind to go beyond logical thinking and use your imagination. And many people don't know this little secret, but your imagination is the key to sharpening your intuition. And number 5, allow yourself to utilize your intuition when it comes to your finances. The more you do this, the more you will begin trusting your inner voice when it comes to making important decisions in life. But start with small, insignificant financial decisions and build up your trust slowly to start making bigger decisions based on your intuition. You see, intuition is a muscle that needs constant use in order to perform at its best. Some of the most successful people in the world rely on their intuition to bring in the big bucks, like Oprah, Steve Jobs, and Bill Gates. All of these celebrities have publicly credited intuition for their success. Most people go through life without a clear path of where they want to be and how to get there, and just rely on trial and error, which can be very costly and painful sometimes. Your intuition already knows if a deal will go sour, if a business partner or a life partner is, the perfect match for you. Also where your strengths lie. So next time you work with money, tap into your intuition. But remember to start with small steps first. Don't make $1 million decision the very first time you decide to give this a try. Letting your intuition guide you is a shortcut to a life full of abundance and success. So I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if you like this video, then like it, share it, and leave your comment and let me know, how do you tap into your intuition? Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye for now.